how to climb a tree. Well, the tree that you want is not like that. Like this. This tree has 4 branches, and it also has a place where you could stand. So yeah, it's very good. So, and you also want to find a tree that has thick branches like this. Has thick branches. Just sit on it, and yeah. So, and you have a gap right here that you can put your feet. So I'm gonna be showing you how to climb this tree. I mean, like, it could be any kind of tree, but it has at least have to be a thick one, and it has to be that your foot can stand on it. I recommend using shoes without not that much grip, because this tree already has like if you put grip, the shoe is gonna get scraped with the plastic. But if you take a non-grip one, you can still climb it. So first you want to put one feet onto the branch without like any down. Then you want to hold the branch and make sure to do this part quick. And then basically you want to try to hit the tree like this, but not that hard. And then you want to climb on it like this. Then put your feet at the bottom. Then after you can do that, you stand on it. You stand on one of the branches and hold both of them. Then pick a branch that where you think you can sit. Depends about how big you are. If you're like a size of a kindergartner, I recommend using a tree that is not. I mean, like, it's still big, because kindergartners are still very big. So if you're in first grade, I recommend using like a thick branch, something like that branch right there. Then after that you wanna, then you hold 2 branches aside. Then you try to go up. So since you have 4 branches, you have a good chance of getting up. Then after that you hold 2 of them. And keep your browser and yeah, that's it. The also part, you could, if you have another branch, and you can take two of the branches, two of the branches that you're riding on, and then come up and stand on it. Because your branch, because my branch is very thick and it can hold me. So if you can't, I recommend sitting down, because if you stand up, you get more weight. Then you could stand up like me. And then I have this branch that I could use like a monkey. And then do this. And then, yeah, that's how you do it. I hope you love this video. Please subscribe at the bottom right there. Then put a notification, because we don't want you to miss any stuff that's our new videos. And all the videos, subscribe, please. Thank you. Bye.